what's up? It's Alice and welcome back to my channel. So it is January and that means Lucky Pack season. Over the last few years I've always done a Lucky Pack unboxing, and this time I'm doing the Ank Rouge Lucky Pack. I will always love Liz Lisa, but I think lately I've been really into the Ank Rouge style. I almost got their Lucky Pack last year, but I didn't. So this year was my year and I finally got it. And here it is! Ta-da! I got this through a shopping service. There were two colors. It was pink and black. She told me it was random. I would have settled for the black, but I was really hoping for the pink. So I'm really glad that I managed to get the pink one. And yeah, so let's start opening. First off, I really like this bag. It's really pretty and it's a decent size. So first we have this white, off-white coat. It's got like this heart pocket with this ribbon. It's really cute, really simple. I feel like it's not gonna keep me warm if I was in New York, but since I moved to LA now and the weather is warm and can get kind of cold, I think this is actually pretty perfect. Next up is a dress. Hey! Alright, it is one of these like cut off shoulder plaid dress, and it also comes with a little ribbon pin, which I guess goes on the top front. Yeah, this is really cute. This is actually one of the Ank Rouge styles that I really like, and I really wanted to try out, like the big A-line dresses. So I'm really excited for this. So I pre-ordered this a really long time ago and I kind of forgot what's in it, so this is a surprise for me too. Okay, I think this is another dress, but it's a black dress with a hood that has little bunny ears. It is so cute. And it's like a hoodie dress with like pocket over here. I'm actually really excited for this because just the other day I was thinking about how I don't have anything like comfy and cute in my closet that I can just toss on and run outside for a little bit. So this is actually really perfect. And also I don't have a lot of black in my closet, so this is kind of nice. And it's like really oversized and I think it'll be really cute and comfortable. It is another dress. I love dresses, so I'm really happy. This one is kind of like a larm-ish style. It's a little tighter than the others. It's got like this open front here, and in the middle on the waist there's like this lace thing around the waist. It's very larm, and it's pink and black, which coincidentally is also the colors I'm wearing today. Actually, it's a sweater quite like the one I'm wearing right now, because it also has this collar with like stuff on it, and it's a really similar pink. I know, I actually purposely wore this outfit today because I knew I was doing an Ank Rouge Lucky Pack, so it actually fits really well. But yeah, these are the details on the front. It's actually really comfortable. It feels really nice. I'm really excited. Yeah, this is really cute. And this is the last thing. It is a skirt that also comes with a hanger. Okay, so it is a black skirt with little ruffles on the bottom, like 2 tiers of ruffles. Yeah, it's just a simple plain skirt, and it's kind of a very thick wintry material. That's all I have to say about it right now. And yeah, that's everything that's in this Lucky Pack. It's actually a lot more than I remember, but I'm really excited. There are a lot of dresses in there, a lot of black and pink, and then one gray tossed in there. I'm actually really excited to try this on because I've been so into Ank Rouge lately, but their stuff is not as easy to get as Liz Lisa, so I haven't really been shopping there. But you know, Lucky Packs, the reason they exist is so you can try on a lot of one brand at once. I really like everything in this bag. So before I end this video, I'm going to do a quick try on with some notes so you can see what I like and what I don't like, because you never really know what you like until you try it on. Thank you for watching. My schedule for videos this week is a little off, I know, but starting next week I'm going to post twice a week. My vlog will be out on Tuesdays and my regular videos will be out on Fridays. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I also started a Patreon, so if you like what I do and you want to see more content, don't forget to check out my Patreon. The link is down below. So stay tuned for the try-on portion of this video, and my next video will be out tomorrow. and then continuing next week. So I will see you guys then.